YouTube. What's good, YouTube? Can you don't know what time it is? You know, they done back in the lab again with another one, don't it? Yes, man, we're there, man. We're there back with none of that Stinger himself. Yeah, man, we're there with Blak Ryno in there with a new track. They want to name one away, but the title say any away. You see me away, so Blak Ryno, any cycle, which title the title, but one now. Which is it one away or is it any away? You see me and say. But regardless of the title, with their feet, you don't know. Then draw the Rhino, you then draw the Stinger, and the Stinger fully active in the war. You see me and say, look like your dog now ease up. So we'll check it out and see where the dog deal. The dog just drop one called Breadman and react to that, as well as react to Joshi latest song. I forgot what the name of that one is. You see me and say, but we there again, Blak Ryno, one away. Let's get it.
City Slang. Make them understand how that A1 you stay.
Alright, Josh. Hey, man, say blood club, Blak Ryno. That way if you shoot at that, Josh. Alright. Yo, Blak Ryno, I'm gonna need if you come hard. Why? Pause. You see me I say, but Blak Ryno, I'm gonna need you to go crazy on this track, man. Come on, man.
Let me tell you about the 4-5. When time that I throw behind. People that spread out a blood clot road like roadside. All of me dog them a madman. Yeah, savage and no crime. All of we action, blood clot back like showtime. That's some pussy we no afraid of boy. No afraid of boy. From them fuck around them no say grains a fly. That come we no afraid.
Hey, you remember the flow there? Remember the flow here remind me of one song my dog doing it. People, do me a reminder. You know which song me a chat. You remember the flow here? Figure out which song.
Let me tell you about the 4-5. When time that I throw behind. People that spread out a blood clot road like roadside. All of me dog them a madman. Yeah, savage and no crime.
Yeah.
All of we action, blood clot back like showtime. Some pussy we no afraid of boy.
Tell them, me man not afraid of nobody. Go on, show.
No afraid of boy. From them fuck around them no say grains a fly. Come we no afraid of that.
Brain a fly like a bird. Go on, show.
Some boy, I do some boy. We no afraid of boy. No boy, no boy. We no afraid of boy. Nobody gunshot pick take up your body. No boy can this and me no clap it. Someone lift up the matic me go shot it. I'm so good at it. Turn it and put in another clip. Me no give a fuck if your mother sick. Run in your blood clot house with a longer stick. And kill them one away. One bullet, one man a day. No them understand how that A1 you stay. Clap it first. Boy for it burst. The bad magic work. The boy jump in there.
Blood clean. Alright, I'm liking it. Come on. Yes, man. Kill them and run your mother with a bigger stick. Brother, arm to you. Kill them one away. Alright. So the soundtrack is one away. Go on, show.
No boy. I'm not afraid of boy. Nobody gunshot pick take up your body. No boy can this and me no clap it. Someone lift up the matic me go shot it. I'm so good at it. Turn it and put in another clip. Me no give a fuck if your mother sick. Run in your blood clot house with a longer stick. And kill them one away. One bullet, one man a day. No them understand how that A1 you stay. Clap it first.
How them understand how the A1 stay? You should understand from before you get. Clap up.
One bullet, one man a day. No them understand how that A1 you stay. Clap it first. Boy for it burst. The bad magic work. The boy jump in there. Just take some pussy with no afraid of boy. Come on, no afraid of boy. From them violate the link of grains of fly. Them on the grains of fly. Fly. You no afraid of boy. No boy. Tell them I'm not afraid of boy.
Tell them.
Last time the rifle beat out, left them chest and head a bleed out. Skull and brain a peep out. Marrow make a exit and a leave out. The driver carry a speed out with a impact when it leave out. Bullet a bust spin while the driver bun the wheel out. One away, one bullet, one man a day. Now them understand how.
One bullet, one man a day. G's and P's. I mean, for a year, 365 people will kill you with one man a day, that G's and P's.
Last time the rifle beat out, left them chest and head a bleed out. Skull and brain a peep out. Marrow make a exit and a leave out. The driver carry a speed out with a impact when it leave out. Bullet a bust spin while the driver bun the wheel out. One away.
Bullet a bust while the driver bun the wheel out. Easy now, why?
Freedom boy. Last time the rifle beat out, left them chest and head a bleed out. Skull and brain a peep out. Marrow make a exit and a leave out. The driver carry a speed out with a impact when it leave out. Bullet a bust spin while the driver bun the wheel out. One away. One bullet, one man a day. Now them understand how that A1 a stay. When the pan a spray, man inna the land a lay.
Afraid of boy. Tell them we're not afraid of boy. Oh, I'm to you. Go at you.
I'm not afraid of boy. One in them better watch them brains a fly.
Fly, in a fly.
Born to afraid of boy. No born to afraid of boy.
Cleat. Alright, Ryno. Tune bad. But me not gonna lie, a lot of people was expecting a diss track towards Joshy, Clash song. So a lot of people got overlook this. Or they might be like, oh, John, tough for you loser. Bad tune, but people nah like. I was expecting like a diss track. You see me? Towards Joshy. Keep it, yo, don't bother drop it Clash, you know. Ryno. You better this Joshy, man. Yeah, man. You have to rub me around, keep drop tune till. You see me? Yeah, man. You have to keep dropping this track, man. Don't feel like say you cannot drop two tune and done and no say thing work. You have to keep on dropping tracks. People decide it. You see me? Nobody tell you say, oh, you lose and you have to stop and ray. Nobody tell you that. You see me? You can't murder a boy and make a comeback. You see me? Because remember, you know, dog, a lot of people want to see you make a comeback now. Right now. I tell you right now, enough people want to see you make a comeback. You see me? I tell you the truth. Yeah, so keep dropping tune, bad tune this, but people like expect this track. I'm not gonna lie to you. I was expecting this track, you see me I say. Yeah, I expect you to drop some crazy shit. You see me Nancy up Joshy. You see me shoot off all massacre. You see me dog, yo, there's bro, keep dropping tune. You see me I say? Yeah, and that go for every artist. You see me if you say a bad one, you see me and you say a wicked, keep dropping tune. Don't listen to people outside. You see me, a history this I gotta determine the winner, you know. You see me I say, yeah, people are talk right now, but history gonna go and look and that gonna determine the winner and people will be vindicated. You see me I say? But yeah man, bad tune, people may know anything but I want it in the comment section. Blak Ryno, one away. You see me? You need to do some better title comment for any away, but they cover at one away. You see me I say? But yeah man, people, till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.